Cyril, and I'm a marine surveyor. And behind me here you see the replica of the famine vessel, the Dunbrody, which was built in this dock 20 years ago. I was involved at that time, I was involved with the construction, the original construction of the vessel. Now she's been in for a major refit, jointly funded by Fáilte Ireland and Wexford County Council. And I've been the senior surveyor overseeing the work that's been done during the refit. If you look down, you can see that we're actually flooding the dock at the moment because we hope if the tides are right, all things being equal, we should be taking her out of the dry dock this weekend and bringing her back across the river and putting her back into her permanent berth, and then she'll be reopened to the public. And everybody is more than welcome to come along and have a look.
My name is Stephen Keogh. I'm part owner of the boatyard here with my brother Michael. We just had the Dunbrody in here for the last 4 months. Remake of the whole lot. We employed all local people here from the New Ross area. All our suppliers was from the New Ross area, and so they done a great job. Working on the Dunbrody was tremendous because of all different aspects of the work, you know, from carpentry to mechanical side of things, and everyone here enjoyed it. You know, we worked here 7 days a week, and you know, we had a good time, you know, with it, and she turned out fantastic.
This is a wondrous occasion for us because the ship has just returned from 5 months in dry dock, where she's had a complete refurbishment, upgrading, and we've carried out some works to her that are to future-proof the vessel to ensure that she's going to last for generations to come. And we were supported in the project through Wexford County Council, Fáilte Ireland, and of course the Rural Regeneration Development Funds themselves. We're delighted to have the ship back, and we opened for the visitors from the 1st of August. And we can't wait to get the visitors back on board and visiting the ship and experiencing life back in the late 1840s and encountering the experience from a historical perspective of so many different people who faced great challenges when they left Ireland back in that period during the famine, and indeed before it and for many years after it.